Divorce mediation versus DIY divorce in Torrance. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in Torrance and want to avoid the high cost of attorneys, you may be weighing two options: divorce mediation or a do-it-yourself divorce. Both can work, but they're very different approaches. Here's how it breaks down. Mediation involves working with a neutral third party who helps you and your spouse reach an agreement on issues like custody, property division, or support. It can be helpful if you're mostly in agreement but need guidance on certain points. However, mediators don't actually file your paperwork. You still need to prepare and submit everything to the Torrance branch of the Los Angeles Superior Court. A DIY divorce, on the other hand, means handling the process yourself. This might sound cost-effective, but the paperwork is complex, and even small errors can cause your case to be rejected. In Torrance, where divorces are filed through the e-filing system, rejected paperwork can delay your case for months. For example, we helped a Torrance couple who first spent money on mediation, only to find out none of the court documents were prepared or filed. They came to us and we took their mediated agreement, drafted the proper paperwork, and had their divorce approved in weeks. At Divorce 661, we provide the best of both worlds. If you already have an agreement, we prepare and file all the paperwork for a flat fee. If you need help reaching an agreement, we can connect you with a mediator and then finalize everything for you. If you're deciding between mediation and DIY divorce in Torrance, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll explain your options and make sure your divorce is handled quickly, affordably, and correctly.